Hello and welcome to an Oregano Systems tutorial. Today we want to show you how to establish a remote desktop connection from your Windows computer to your PC or server running a syn1588 Linux live system. In our tutorial we will use our syn1588 live system based on Ubuntu 16.04 32-bit and Windows 10 64-bit as operating systems. Okay, let's start. Insert the wooden USB stick which was delivered together with your syn1588 PCI Express network interface card into your PC, where you would like to run the syn1588 Linux live system and boot from it. Open Search Your Computer and search for Desktop Sharing. Click on it and then the window Desktop Sharing Preferences will appear. In this window, in section Sharing, you have to check Allow other users to view your desktop. And in section Security, you have to uncheck You must confirm each access to this machine. Now the settings are complete and you can close this window by using the Close button. Open a terminal. And use the command sudo apt update to update the package lists for upgrades for packages that need upgrading, as well as new packages that have just come to the repositories. Use the command sudo apt install dconf-editor to install the dconf editor on your system. After successfully installing, type dconf-editor to open the dconf editor. After executing this command, a new window should appear, and in this window navigate to org, gnome, desktop, remote access. Here you have to uncheck the value require encryption. The settings in your syn1588 live system are now complete and you can close this window. Now we have to find out the IP address of your system. A simple way to do this is to click on the connection symbol and then click on connection information. There you will find the IPv4 address which is necessary to create a remote desktop connection. Remember your IP address because it is needed at the end of our tutorial. Finally, we move forward to our Windows PC, from which we want to initiate a remote desktop connection. Use a browser of your choice, open www.tightvnc.com and navigate to the Download section. There you will find the installer files for Windows 32-bit and Windows 64-bit operating systems. Choose the appropriate file for your Windows system and click on it to start the download of the installer MSI file. After the download is finished, click on the file to install tightvnc by using the tightvnc setup wizard on your computer. Click Next and read the following end-user license agreement carefully. If you accept the terms in this license agreement, you can check the complementary checkbox and click the Next button. Now you are asked to choose the setup type for the installation. A typical installation is enough for our needs. So we choose Typical. In the next step, additional tasks for the tightvnc wizard may be specified. We leave everything as it is and click the Next button. Now we have to click on the Install button to begin the installation of tightvnc. If your Windows User Account Control asks you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, confirm by clicking the Yes button. During the installation process, a window will appear where you can define the protection of your tightvnc service. In our case, we do not use password protection for remote access and do not use an administrative password. Confirm this window by clicking the OK button and then the tightvnc is successfully installed. Open the already installed tightvnc viewer, which can be found in your Windows Start menu. To create a new connection, fill in the IP address of your PC or server where the syn1588 live system is running. Click the Connect button, and finally we have a successful connection established. For more details or information on how to use the syn1588 live system, please refer to the syn1588 User Guide Chapter 9, Syn1588 Live System. Thank you very much for watching Oregano Systems tutorials.